फुल फ्लेजेड 16 साल की उम्र से चालू कर दिया था. बट आई थिंक टाइम लगता है, सही ढंग का आपका डाइट प्लान लगता है. आई थिंक डाइट प्लेज अ मेजर रोल. ऑलमोस्ट 80% ऑफ योर बॉडी वॉट एवर इट इज फूड. अगर आपने सही ढंग का खाना रखा, न्यूट्रिशन रखा, देन यू कैन मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ बॉडी दैट यू वांट. सो इट टुक मी, आई थिंक अजान के बाद मैंने फोकस किया कि चलो बॉडी तो अच्छी बन गई है, लेकिन क्या सिक्स पैक का एक बहुत चलन है. इट टुक मी ऑलमोस्ट 6 months focused on the six packs and I got it made.
आशिकी 2 की जो रीमेक बन रही है उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा मेरा, बट बहुत ही कठिन रहा. क्योंकि बहुत आसान लगता है दूर से कि आप एक ड्रंकर्ड कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, आप एक रॉक स्टार प्ले कर रहे हैं, यू प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर हु इज डाइंग डाउन इन हिज लाइफ, और मतलब जो ज़िंदगी से कुछ चाहता ही नहीं है. तो बहुत आसान लगा इनिशियली, लेकिन जब काम करना चालू किया, जब इम्प्रोवाइजेशन चालू किया, उसके बाद एक्चुअल शूट पे पहुंच गए, तब बहुत मुश्किल का सामना करना पड़ा. बिकॉज यू हैव टू play an intense love story, intense lover, at the same time you have to play a drunkard. So it is not that easy to do. Hats off to Aditya, he did a great job with the film, and I tried my level best to make it better.
फीमेल एक्टर कौन होंगी सचिन आपके साथ में, को एक्टर कौन होंगी, कुछ बताना चाहिए?
नाजिया हुसैन है. उनका डेब्यू है तेलुगु में, और शी इज़ द नीस ऑफ संजय दत्त. उन्होंने पहले भी काफ़ी यहाँ पे काम किया, वर्कशॉप किया. शी इज़ एप्ट, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी there were actresses who were discussed like Tamanna and Samantha, which are popular. But ये फिल्म को क्या एक इनोसेंस की ज़रूरत थी. एक एक्ट्रेस जिसकी आप कोई उम्मीद नहीं रख सकते उससे, तो वो कैरेक्टर ज़रूरी था. या नहीं तो वो आपका एक जो हार्ट टचिंग एक फील गुड फिल्म है, या एक इमोशनल फिल्म है, वो कभी कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाएगा ऑडियंस के साथ. दैट्स व्हाई न्यू गर्ल.
सचिन 15 को क्यों रिलीज करने की प्लान किया?
अच्छा डेट है. there are good holidays coming and the film is ready to release. तो आज नहीं तो कल करना ही था.
You are a very close friend of Shah Rukh Khan as well. Will he be lending his support for you?
His support is always there, whether he's physically present or not, but he's always there. He's always been there as an elder brother, and it's a regional. So I somehow feel he's such a busy man. I should not bother him for everything and anything.
Mumbai also, because Mumbai so many things also, people also.
There are, I think, a couple of prints are planning to release in Mumbai.
Have you also spoken to Aditya about this role, or maybe exchange notes with him?
Yes, definitely. I mean, we've been playing football. I mean, before even he started shooting for Ashiki 2, we've been playing football. We've been spending time together. तो जब उसको पता चला कि I'm doing Ashiki 2, he was in a state of shock for a moment. मतलब ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हिंदी तेलुगु में बन सकती है, कि नॉर्मली यही होता है कि साउथ से फिल्में हिंदी में बनती है. तो मैंने उसको कहा कि मैं शौक था कि मेरा दोस्त जाके फिल्म के राइट्स लेके आ गया. तो इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. देन वी यूज्ड टू सिट, वी यूज्ड टू स्पेंड टाइम कि मैंने ये सीन कैसे किया, ये सीन में मैंने क्या किया, ये सीन में मैंने क्या नहीं किया. So he shared his experience and whatever I could see of the film. And the only thought that I had, that Aditya has his own personality. He's tall, he's broad, he has his own way of acting. So only thing that he said that stay natural, be what you are. And that's what I think I'm able to achieve with the film.
सचिन ये छोटी सी चिड़िया आपकी बॉडी पर हम देख रहे हैं, ये काफी डिफरेंट किया आपने. ये किसका आइडिया था, या
ये पीटा का आइडिया है एक्चुअली. वो हमेशा एक छोटी सी चिड़िया हमेशा साथ में रहता है.
In terms of the character that Aditya also has portrayed in Ashiki 2, so he's played drunkard, and that tag has stuck to him. So are you also probably conscious? Yes.
Do I look like I'm right in front of you? That's the PETA campaign. I think alcohol.
For Ashiki 2.
Yes, I did go through an intense, rigorous process. It's not like taking support from alcohol, but it is about being in that state of subconsciousness, being there, and what you would feel in that situation. To feel that, especially from the point of view of acting, I've also been a part of, I've consumed alcohol during certain scenes, but somehow I've been lucky that it's not habituated to me.
Which is your favorite song out of it?
Well, right now the most popular song, which is you know, raking the charts, and it's super success in the B and C segment. They've come out with 3 songs, but Tumiyo Ashiki, which is called Pranama, is the most popular right now.
You also became a father recently, right? How has your baby changed your life as a person?
It is wonderful. I think being a father is the most happiest thing that can ever happen. And I have a beautiful daughter called Samaira. She's 6 months. I was in fact playing with her, and I just came here. It doesn't feel like, you don't feel like leaving home at all.
Will we see Raina coming back to the films ever again?
Yeah, I mean, I'm open to the idea. She's right now just mothering a 6-month-old child. I mean, if she would love to come back, I would be more than happy.
She also vegetarian. Your wife.
To be honest, no, she's not a vegetarian. It's only me who's a vegetarian.
You plan to convert her.
I've been after her since the day I've met. You know, the first condition I put her, you have to be a vegetarian.
Okay, is six-pack abs a true indicator of fitness?
Not honestly. According to me, true fitness of a person is the person's internal strength. You know, appearance can be maneuvered, managed. You know, you can influence it, but real strength of a person is, I feel, true fitness.
Are you focusing on South movie or Bollywood movie?
देखिए ये एक वन ऑफ केस था बिकॉज मंडला गणेश मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं 2004